Watch out now. Watch out. Watch out now. Howdy, hey guys. Welcome back. We got another video, guys. Today's video is going to be about this 2-pole 3-wire grounding NEMA 5-15R receptacle plug. I have one of my extension cords here, and this end doesn't seem to want to hold a plug in it, so I'm gonna be replacing this end with this end. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna get to the unboxing. I'll be right back. Bam, we back, guys. So basically, I mean, we're gonna open up the package. Nothing really in the package other than the little flyer and the instruction manual and the actual receptacle. So what we're gonna do is loose these these 3 screws here. Loose that one, loose this one, and last one. And this is not really too hard, guys. And no matter what brand plug you get, you know, they're all generally going to be about the same concept. So you won't have to think that you have to get the same actual brand as this one. So what we have here, you have a green screw, you have a brass screw, and you have a silver screw. And you only have 3 screws that's actually you're going to mount the wires to. This is actually the part that's going to hold the actual cord, so you know it's stable and sturdy. So first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to cut this end right here off. Just grab my knife, grab this cord. I know somebody's going to say, your knife ain't sharp enough. And they might be right. Now that we got that, you take this wire cutter stripper and you could slowly, well, first let's slide this wire through here. And if your wire doesn't fit, just loosen up the 2 screws here and here. And you're able to slide your extension cord through the back. All right, guys, now that you have this holder here, the bottom part on, you just slide that down the cord. And before I forget, we get too deep into the video, man, I guess I would just like to thank everyone and let you guys know that I appreciate you guys for watching our videos and tuning in. But y'all make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. It's gonna be down there. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so you're able to be notified with each video that we post. And we're gonna get back into this. Let's get it. All right, so now you got that part on. What you want to do is we don't need the wire to be that long, so we're gonna strip our sheathing somewhere around here. And you don't want to go too far and actually cut the actual wire, which just don't go too deep. Yep, I definitely touched my finger a little bit. And then this insulation here, you just want to just cut that off. It's easy to cut off. Just cut it towards the sheathing. And guys, like I always say, listen, I'm not a professional. Everything I'm doing, I'm just doing it so that I can save money and do it myself. So if you're taking notes and you're planning on doing it, just don't blame me for anything that may occur. But I definitely thank you guys and appreciate you guys for tuning in. And hopefully it is helpful for someone that's willing to take the chance. So now we're just gonna strip the wires. We got the white wire strip. Let's strip the black wire. And let's strip the green wire. Now that we have all the wires stripped, just twist them. And you're gonna take your plug, and going back to this green screw, you have a green screw right here that I spoke about earlier with the color. You don't have to loosen it all the way. What you have in these plugs, you have a metal piece here, like a bracket here, and another bracket right here. And when you tighten the screw, you just tighten those two brackets together. So what you want to do is, you want to take your wire, you're going to put your wire between those two brackets. So we have the green screw here. We're going to take the green screw and put the green wire in the green screw. So now that we have the wire in between those two brackets, what you want to do is take the screw and tighten it down. Guys, it's just that simple. Just that simple. It seems like I might have to cut my sheathing back just a little bit more, guys. So let me cut my sheathing back just a little bit more. All right, now I have my sheathing cut back just a little bit more. Go back to the green screw, slide the wire back in. Open up those two brackets. Should be good enough. Take your green wire, slide it in between the screw, and you just want to tighten the screw down after you got it. All right, next you have the silver screw here. You want to take the silver and you put the silver with the white. So we're gonna loose the silver screw. Don't loose it that much. Guys, don't loose it all the way. Take your silver screw and your white wire. The silver goes with white. Take your white wire, slide your white wire. Now let's twist it again and slide your white wire. In there. and you want to tighten that up. Then last, you want to take your black wire, and black goes into this brass side. Alright, take your black, slide it into this brass end. Alright, and when you have that slid in, just tighten that up. And just go back and make sure they're all tight. Then you take this in, you slide this in all the way back up to the top. And the way this plug is designed, it has a groove on one side, so it's only going to slide into the groove. Take your screws. Take your other screw. Tighten them down. All right. All right. All right. And last, what you want to do is you want to tighten up the cord to the actual frame. All right, guys, that's it. You have a plug and you have an extension cord. That's how you really replace a cord, an extension cord plug in. I thank you guys for watching the videos, man. I appreciate you guys' support. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all share the video. Go watch our old videos. Man, we appreciate y'all love and support. Y'all be blessed. Peace.